and my camera is already failing. There we go. We're at Wilkes. Here, where? There it is. Wilkes-Barre Scranton International Airport, which is over there. There's an American bus. Over there. Sign like Area 51. Jesus Christ. Look at the baggage guard. Baggage guard. Are you? What are you going to United over there? Where are you going? There's no one. Are you just going to go drive it off the mountain? No, you're going to go over United. Oh, guys, we are on the mountain, so that's why. It's very popular. There's, oh god, that's so bad. There isn't much here. Like literally, sat when I could hear the leaf. There's one airplane here, but there's not one. Anyway, here an airplane, but I see an airplane. I hear an airplane. Jesus. There's a bee just tried to attack me. It's nice, by the way. Ask what you're doing. No, guys, that's not